In this video, I'm just going to show you how to use rolling techniques to release your neck. And again, the key thing here is that the neck is an area that we want to be very, very careful with if addressing at all. Okay, so if your neck is chronically painful all the time, you feel like shooting pain down your neck, you've had recent spinal surgery, like be very careful with this or don't do it at all. But, you know, if you have some discomfort in your neck after a long day or whatever, this stuff will help you. So the first thing that we're going to do is I want to get a block or just something I can put my head on and I just relax. And this in itself is good for the neck because this helps to decompress the neck, meaning it takes pressure off of the extensors of the neck, which are usually the things that are tight and the things that we're going to focus on only today. All right, so I can just sit here and breathe and relax. Just kind of let my chin come up a little bit. Find the natural lordosis of my neck. Just kind of let my neck sink down towards the floor. That's first and foremost. From there, I'm going to take a tennis ball and I'm going to put it behind, just kind of up my neck here. Let's call this the suboccipital muscle. I'm just going to let the ball get a little closer here so you can see me a little bit better, but I'm just going to let the ball sink in behind my neck. And again, I can put my hand here to secure it initially to take a little bit of pressure off, but as it gets more comfortable, I'll just let it sink in. I kind of nod my head up and down just a little bit. Again, I want to breathe into this. So I take a deep breath in. I relax. I look up, look down. One more time, deep breath in. I relax, look up and down. I can just work down a little bit. So I work down my neck somewhat. One more time, deep breath in. And I just find the spots that I feel like I need to work on a little bit more. Like this is a spot for me. And I just let it sink in a little bit longer. But again, if you find that you're doing this and stuff starts to feel like tingly or you start to feel like shooting pain, stop. Like that's not what we want at all. I want to make a really close note of that. The other thing that we can do, another technique that I like that is even more gentle than the ball, and something that probably is where you should start, would be to just put a roll-up mat behind our neck. And I want you to think of this like a foam roller because it's going to create just a little bit of pressure on our neck extensors. But what this also does is to help to kind of restore the natural lordosis of our neck, and that's a really good thing. This is a good kind of adjunct to address forward head posture and just breathing first in this position. So I take a deep breath in. I just relax. Just let stuff sink in. And now I'll just show you a quick technique that I like to use breathing along with this. I breathe in. Just kind of nod my chin up. That's going to open up my airway a little bit. And then I exhale and look down. Just do that one more time. Exhale and I start to look down. And again from there I can just kind of like turn my head. Exhale and just turn. Look to one side. Deep breath in. Exhale and I turn. Look to the other side. And again I'm just focusing on just letting my neck kind of sink into the bolster here like it's melting. And I might spend here I can spend longer, especially with this ball. So with the ball, you only want to do about maybe a minute, maybe two. Here, I can really spend up to 10 minutes just recontouring my neck. This would be a good thing to do before bed. But give this a go. Let me know what worked for you, if any of these made you feel better, anything that you might have felt while you were doing these, and let's talk.